Hey everybody, welcome back. Working on the Redline today. And here's what's going on. I didn't show you in the previous video what this manifold looks like all bolted up. But this is the manifold. It's not finished by any means, but it's just a rough mock-up. And I'm going to put it together and test drive it. Compare how it runs now to how it used to run. This one is a little more streamlined compared to the one I took off. And that one, let's see, where is that one? There's the exhaust that's on a Redline. All right, here we go. This is the stock manifold. Right here. As you can see, that's not very streamlined. The one thing I really don't like about it, when the exhaust comes out of here, comes straight down and hits right here. So that means there's some reversion going back up into this side, as well as, you know, it coming down to here and exiting. And I feel the same about this side. When this side fires, it comes like this, and it hits like right here. So that gives it the chance to go back up into here, as well as empty down here. So when you put them side by side, you can kind of see what I'm saying. This one's straighter. No chance for reversion. Should rev out better. And then I'm going to set this down. The Redlines, they don't have a close-off panel back here. This area right here. So there's no snow flap either. So when the snow comes up, you know, it hits the underside of the seat, and then snow comes up in here and it fills this area, gets the exhaust all wet. Then steam comes pouring out from under the hood, and you think you're on fire. So I took some spare aluminum I had laying around, and I cut this up. Bent it into shape. And this goes like this. So there's a little area, hole in the back for the exhaust to pass through. And then when you come back under here, it closes it off so that whatever snow is kicked up off the track, it not only hits that, but it continues deeper into the tunnel, way up in there where the heat exchanger is. They never did get around to fixing that or completing it, but then again, this ain't a production machine. It's just simply a prototype. This right here is the heat exchanger. It's really large, and it also has another heat exchanger at this close-off area of the tunnel. So you can see where this hose comes in here, mounts in there. That's the heat exchanger. So yeah, we're gonna pop this thing together and take it for a little ride today. Give that new manifold a little test run. But yep, that's what we've gotten done so far. All right, everybody. The music you hear playing in the background, that belongs to my buddy, Scotty Tomaselli. I do have the rights to play the music because he wrote it, recorded it, belongs to him and his band. And we'll see y'all a little bit later.